I just picked up a Lexus IS 3Is. It's pretty stock. I'll do a little walk around in a bit. I'm gonna pull over at a gas station, but pretty much stock. I have this nice carbon wheel. I have CarPlay, but I have it turned off because I don't want my phone to, I don't want the recording to interfere with it. But yeah, it's pretty much stock. So today we're gonna mess it up. Today we're gonna do like the first mod, basically. The first mod at least that I'll be doing. I got this carbon fiber spoiler. It's from eBay. You know, the Chinese carbon fiber, if you know, you know. I'm heading to my boy's shop right now because it's too cold in my garage to put it on right now. He has this cool little heat gun. But yeah, I'm gonna show you a little POV drive. We're gonna pull up to the gas station, do a little walk around really quick. Then from there we'll go to the shop and meet my boy, the boy Matthias. All right, I'm pulling into the gas station. I'm gonna do a tiny little quick look around, walk around of the car. Like I said, it's pretty much stock, but you know, gotta give the car a proper introduction here with some good lighting. So like I said, it's pretty much stock, except we have this carbon fiber this carbon fiber steering wheel. We have a CarPlay module, and we have, can't really see them here. We'll have to do it. We'll have to do it at the shop. Like I'm saying, it's pretty much stock. We have the white F Sport IS 353IS. The other owner also did a chrome delete. Other than that, it's pretty much stock.
You're honestly an idiot. I don't know what's wrong with.
How many times are we gonna say that? I don't know. So this is it. We'll be building this car on this channel. And so far it's been pretty good. It is naturally aspirated. There's not much you can do to the engine. Overall, it's still a pretty fun car. I had a Mazda 3 and the tint wasn't this dark, and I feel like I can't see anything at night from the side view. From the side, I feel like I can't see anything from the windows, from the side. The windshield is of course not tinted. This car being new to me, I'm almost like nervous driving it because I feel like, I don't know, I gotta get used to driving it. Pulling up to the boy Matthias' shop here at Kick It Shop. Windows getting frosty. Sheesh, there's the boys Silverado. I don't think I've ever honked the horn on this car. Kind of sounds dumb. It's not like a manly horn, you know what I mean?
What?
I don't know what I'm saying. I'm just yapping. Here it is. Here's the little Camry. Here's the project truck here at Kick and Shop. Sheesh, you got new wheels. I haven't seen those. Little side exit exhaust. Little Asante wheels. Sheesh. Here's the lineup.
All right, guys. Cut to cinematic reverse. Damn, it's kind of messed up. All right, do it again.
Huh?
Get new lights.
Why do you always keep hitting on my lights? I don't get. What do you see wrong with them?
They just like look kind of bummy. It's like circular and like.
You think I should tint the DRLs? These ones yellow?
Oh yeah, you were gonna. Yeah.
I think I'm look good. Yeah. So we pulled up to the shop. was talking about the little door lights. You really couldn't see them at Quick Trip. You can't really see them here either, but just know they're there.
Oh, wait.
What?
Do it again.
Oh yeah. It'd be cool if it said F Sport.
Huh?
No? It would be better if it said F Sport.
Yeah, it would.
Yeah.
Too bad.
Womp womp. Where are the keys? Sheesh. Oh, what's up? Sheesh. Alright. That's a little. This. It's gonna go on here, and it's gonna look like a ray. It's China fiber. it's eBay fiber, but it's gonna look like a race car. So this is it.
So nice.
Before, this car was a spec, from factory. Never had a spoiler. Even if it had the stock one, I would have replaced it because the stock ones are kind of ugly. But basically has no spoiler. It's like naked up here. So we're gonna fix that right now, hopefully. Yeah. All right. So whenever you're applying something with 3M, you're gonna use painter's tape. You're gonna mock it up, make sure it's nice and straight, and then you put on the 3M. It's a pretty simple process. I think I should do a time lapse. No? Alright, so first step is you mock it up before you put on 3M tape. Place the tape, and then once you remove it, you'll be able to see exactly like the outline, the shape of the spoiler. So you don't have to center it again, basically. So then you get your 3M, and you place it all over the real carbon fiber.
Real.
Real carbon fiber.
Oh yeah, brother.
So yeah, this is probably the most tedious part.
The carbon fiber. The ink ran out.
Yeah. The printer died midway. But yeah, this is probably the most tedious part of the whole process. We just gotta make sure this tedious part of the project of the process. All right, so once you put on all the once you put on all the 3M M4 comps. Alright, so once you put on all the tape, you don't peel it all off and then just stick it on. You're gonna peel off.
Good. Guten Tag. Hell.
You're gonna peel off just a little bit of the red.
Really?
I'll show you in a moment. Stop! Not all the way, just a little bit. So you're gonna peel each of them just a little bit, like that, so it's hanging off the side. And once you have every piece with a little bit of this hanging on the side, you place it on, and then you go peel it off while it's on, and you press down and apply heat at the same time.
Got me fucked up.
Yeah.
All right, let's do
It
it.
seems pretty simple, but we're gonna do it.
Let me do a transition.
Transition. Sheesh. It's on there. Everything went right. What the fuck? All right. Everything went smoothly according to the plan. There were no mistakes at all.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap.
It's really glued on there. It's just a finicky process, very tedious, but I mean, this is how it came out. Pretty good finish. Gotta wipe off the fingerprints, but I mean, damn, it looks.
Real carbon fiber.
It's real carbon fiber.
Real carbon fiber.
thing looks pretty good. It just needs a little bit lower. So now carbon fiber spoiler Camry. What's like the code name?
Is that what, wait, yeah, right. That makes sense because I have XSE. Look at the options.
It's an opportunity for people to come together.
Oh wait.
Yo,
Oh my god, I messed up the
Just do like
transition.
that, just like that.
And I am
I forgot to say this, but stay tuned. Stay tuned. We're gonna do a spoiler on his Camry, so watch it.